Today we have an unboxing of a GoPro backpack shoulder strap mount. It's by NiceyRig. So this is designed for GoPros or other similar style cameras that have the 2-finger prong adapter, which is pretty common with most action cameras these days, but came about from the GoPro company. So it is a backpack strap quick release clamp. That says it better. So I don't have any NiceyRig products. So this is my first one. Looked pretty good. It's off Amazon. Couldn't find it on AliExpress though. So that's the clamp there. You can sort of see how it's going to work. So we'll move this off. So there's your standard style GoPro mount. And you have a Allen key, presumably to do some adjustments with the actual mount, which rotates, but I think it's been locked in that orientation, so you'd unscrew that, change the orientation, and then clamp it back down. And then I do have a backpack here as an example, so we'll just bring in a strap. So we'll just go something like let me just adjust it for the camera. See if I can get the clamp to come down a little bit here. There we go. And there we go. It is on. So then you just put in your camera. And there we go. Very nice design. And then nice aluminium construction. And then to unclamp it. There we go. So it has a rubber back here, so that'll keep it nice and secure to the bag. It'll leave a little mark, but this type of material on this particular bag is a little prone to marking anyway. And yeah, that's about it. So that is the NiceyRig backpack clamp. Thanks.